What's going on, everyone? I got another computer acquisition in of a computer that I recently acquired a few days ago, or about a week. It is a Compaq Presario 6000, and yes, I'm recording from my phone because I didn't bring the camera. I had forgot it at the house. I just didn't feel like going and walk all the way back to the house and get it, so because it's just a computer acquisition video. So if you're wondering why it's not in HD, because I'm using my phone for right now. Plus the video would be too large if I do it with HD camera, but that's not the point of the video. And everything fully works on this machine. When I got it, I had tested it out. It had a copy of XP Home Edition. But as you see, I'm currently installing updates because I reinstalled Windows XP. I put XP Professional Service Pack 3. When I had got it, it had like XP Service Pack 2. And it had like 2 updates installed. I decided, two updates that wanted to be installed, so I went ahead and installed them to see what they were. It was Internet Explorer 7 and Windows Genuine Advantage notifications, which this computer didn't even pass Windows Genuine Advantage. When I turned it on, it kept saying you may be a victim of software counterfeiting. Whoever had worked on this computer must have didn't use the Windows XP COA. They just used any copy of Windows XP and just didn't use the COA when they reinstalled it. It came with nothing really interesting. It was when I checked the device manager to see if what kind of drivers it had. Somebody, whoever reinstalled the XP on this machine, had forgot to install the SM bus controller driver. Since I reinstalled Windows XP, I got all the correct drivers and it's not missing an entire driver. And all the optical drives works. Yeah, this one comes out a little slow sometimes, but it works because I used it to reinstall XP and put a few little other applications. I got a few more to install, but yeah, it has an AMD Athlon XP processor. Pull that up right now to see how many gigahertz it's clocked at on. It's clocked at 1.53 gigahertz, and it has 512 megabytes of RAM. It had 768 megabytes of RAM. Took the 256 module out and decided to stick it in at HP, even though that HP ain't hardly being used. Has a 60 gigabyte IDE hard drive. And I'm using this to get on the internet to install a few little updates. I'm just installing some for right now. Hopefully it'll be ready to go once I get all the updates and all the apps installed. I installed a few apps like Office 2003 and Works 2004. And this Narrow program that somebody had loaded it on here, I think it's Narrow 6. I even installed Speakonia just to play around with it. I even installed Firefox on it so far. And plus I gotta upgrade this to Internet Explorer 8 so we can get the updates to work properly. That's what I'm doing right now. Sorry about that phone ringing in the background. It's not my house. So yeah, then I gotta slap a free AV on it. But it runs just fine. You can even hook up a DVI monitor to it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video of the Compaq Presario 6000 acquisition, and thanks for watching. And feel free to leave a comment. Just like what UXW Bill would say. Later.